Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So after the start of the rollout of Windows 11 24H2 last week on the 1st of October, as we have been talking about on the channel, 24H2 is not without its issues. And as we stand today, as I've mentioned in a previous video, we get 6 known issues that Microsoft has confirmed. And I posted a video a day or so later after updating to 24H2 where I said there were 2 more reasons why you may not want to install Windows 11 24H2 just yet. And those 2 reasons were because SFC Scan Now wasn't fixing corrupt system files and was always detecting corrupt system files. And StorageSense was not clearing the update cache. But as mentioned, go check that video out. It'll give you more information. So what was happening when it comes to StorageSense, and this was also happening with the disk cleanup utility, which is the legacy temporary file remover that's been around in Windows forever. Disk cleanup and StorageSense were attempting to remove the update cache files, but they don't work as the Windows Update Cleanup cache continues to take up to 8.63 gigabytes in storage. And I ran this before posting, cleaned it, ran it again, and we still get 8.63 gigabytes, and that's also working, not working with disk cleanup. Now, apparently, this is a widespread issue. And there are lots of reports over on Microsoft's Feedback Hub that users are clearing the Windows Update, and it still has 8.63 gigabytes. And by the way, this has got nothing to do with the previous Windows installation. And apparently Microsoft is aware of the issue, and they are going to be rolling out a fix in an upcoming update to fix this issue. And hopefully that will also address the SFC Scan Now. There's no mention of that, but hopefully that will also be addressed. Now, just on a side note, there is a possible reason why this Windows Update Cleanup is not clearing the update cache, and it's staying at 8.63 gigabytes, and that's basically across the board. There are numerous reports from a lot of users that it's always 8.63 gigabytes. And there could be a reason for that, which has not been confirmed by Microsoft, but this could be a good indication why this is happening. Because as I've mentioned in a previous video, which I'll also leave down below and in the end screen, Windows 11 24H2 is going to be getting smaller updates with new checkpoint cumulative updates, which according to Microsoft is a new concept of checkpoint updates that will allow you to get features and security enhancements via the latest cumulative update through smaller incremental updates containing only the changes since the previous checkpoint cumulative update, saving time, bandwidth, and hard drive space. So that's a possible reason why, since upgrading to 24H2, this Windows Update cache is not being deleted, because at the end of the day, it could be that these are the files that need to be kept by the system for those checkpoint updates to be taking place after upgrading to 24H2. So that's why deleting this 8.63 gigabytes of so-called temporary files is not working, because the checkpoint updates could be relying on them to actually roll out those checkpoint updates for faster smaller updates, and that's why this cache cannot be deleted. But obviously this is causing a lot of confusion, and I think Microsoft could kind of hide this cache without having StorageSense pick it up, and the users are trying to delete it and it doesn't want to get deleted. And we also certainly hope, because they have acknowledged they are going to fix the StorageSense bug, that they're also going to fix the SFC Scan Now bug. And if I get any more info, obviously I'll put it out there. And just wanted to post this video because both these issues have gained a lot of interest and have caused a bit of debate. And obviously this is affecting a lot of users, including myself, after upgrading to 24H2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.